Hello friends. Today they have left us a Rigel Pizarro in its 4x4 version and we will face a great challenge. Climb to the top of that mountain. I'm scared. Let's see the tour. We are on the small island and our objective is to climb with Pizarro to the top of the mountain, then we will go down and finish our route in the guard's house. It will be a dangerous trip. I have no experience driving jeeps on dangerous dirt roads. We will drive through narrow roads of dirt, dust and rocks. We will be accompanied by our camera and a local guide. Going back to the car. We have a Rigel Pizarro 2 from 1997 and in its dynamic 4x4 version. It is an SUV with 5 seats and 3 doors, practical and turned out in this Latino orange color. Curiosity is its removable hard plastic roof and converts it into a convertible 4x4. This version has a 5-cylinder gasoline engine and a power of 120 horsepower. Also includes reducer. Practical interior of hard plastics and some comforts such as radio CD and air conditioning. Right now it is 3 in the afternoon, we have already eaten and we are going to the heliport, where we will pick up our guide to start the ascent to the mountain. The car handles well and I love driving an SUV along the beaches in the summer. The heliport is close to the beach. We began to roll along the first dirt and dust roads. The heat is unbearable. Luckily we have air conditioning and plenty of water to drink ourselves. An hour has passed and we are ready to start climbing the mountain. We are already on our way. We must follow a route that takes us to the foot of the mountain. Our guide accompanies us. He tells us that the most dangerous is the night. In a couple of hours nothing will be seen and it will be dangerous. We are already at the point of no return. Let's start the adventure. It is 5:30 and we hope to reach our destination before nightfall. At the beginning of the adventure we found large rocks in the middle of the path. He brushes the bottom of the Pizarro, but he is wearing a skid plate and it was just a scare. I skirted the path through the middle of the field and returned to the road. Big rocks on the way, they are not a big problem for us. The ascent was going smoothly and now we began to climb steep slopes. To our right a fall that could kill us, but without pressure, ha ha ha. There was very little left to reach the top. After several hours of effort we are already in the final stage of the summit. A small dirt road and we reached our goal. Has behaved very well and we are happy to have a Rigel for this excursion. Finally we succeeded. We reached the highest peak safe and sound. The views are incredible. Now it's time to go down and bequeath to the guard's house. We're stuck on the rocks. It's getting dark and we've been here for hours. I don't know if we'll make it.